when you do these adjustments,
Mhm.
am I going to leave in a little bit of pain, or am I going to leave with some relief, or a little bit of both?
I tell you, I mean, it really varies from person to person. You know, the adjustments should never hurt. You know, everything that we do here is perfectly safe. We really make sure that we do things the right way to make sure that no one, is in a lot of pain after the adjustment. But with that being said, one thing that I really kind of equate the adjustment to a lot of times, especially if someone has never been adjusted or if it's been a long time since they've been adjusted, it's almost like going to the gym for the first time. Really one of the primary things that I'm trying to do with the adjustment, I'm trying to put proper motion back in the spine and make those joints start to work properly again. If those muscles and those joints just haven't moved that way in a long time, or they haven't moved properly in a long time, sometimes it is common to actually have a little soreness afterwards. Not every patient's going to have that soreness, but it's something that I always do tell the patient about. But I equate it to it's just like going to the gym for the first time. You're making a lot of things work, but haven't worked in a long time. So a little bit of soreness is totally normal. And what I recommend is a lot of times it's very treated. Just with a little ice. After the adjustment, a lot of times that soreness does go away. Pretty soon after that. That soreness isn't something that the patient's going to have with every adjustment. Once the body gets used to working properly again, and once the body gets used to working the right way, that soreness does go away, and everything starts to really work the way it's meant to work again.